children use themselves as a checklist for the writing process. Also, this was a combination of 3 units put together. We've been working since December building on the skills. So one of the units was writing a small moment, which is basically a personal narrative, and they focus in on one small event with a beginning, middle, and an end. And one of the other units was writing for readers, which means they would be writing so that their peers can read it out loud. So they're trying to focus on conventions such as writing with capital letters and punctuation and spacing as well. And they try to spell the best that they can. And while they're doing this, again, they're following the writing process on their own. And then our third unit that we incorporate into the small moments is also authors as mentors. Basically what they do is they study published works, and they use ideas and they use their writing styles to incorporate that into their own writing. So for example, using a lot of details, making sure that they use people's names, describe the setting, maybe if theirs took place during the summer, or if it took place during the morning or nighttime, or if they were going somewhere. They also focused on writing about feelings. And one of the challenges I gave them, which some of them incorporated either into this one or another writing piece, was writing with similes. So you'll notice that in some of their writing, and some other children used it in other pieces that they wrote. And also some of the children also realized that as they were publishing, they changed it a little, understanding that now they have a different audience. And that is a higher order thinking. So if you look, some of them might not have gone through the entire writing process. However, while they were publishing, they realized they wanted to show the parents something different rather than their peers. So some of them changed their drafts. They wrote multiple drafts. The ones that you're seeing now, that is at least the 3rd draft of what they're writing. So they did pre-writing, they did a first draft, some of them might have done another draft, and I mean, it's a continual process, and they all understand that. So this is the presentation of those final pieces that you saw on the table. All right, so boys and girls, you've seen this, so just keep it quiet. And if your parents laugh, they can laugh. If your parents laugh, but try to keep it down. Try to keep it down. Because some of them were shy, and it's hard to hear some of them. And they're all alphabetical by first names.
I was having a snowball fight with my mom. I threw my snowball and she hit with her snowball. And I
At both sides.
The huge snowman. The huge snowman. One cold winter night, my mom and me went out and made the